Good day. This is Kevin Coogan. Just want to take a few minutes here to describe what ELC does, to help improve energy conservation and how to save your company on its electric bill. We start by looking at the usage. How fast is the meter moving? And that's real. One of our real objectives is to make that meter move slower. After we understand what you have in terms of lighting and its efficiency, we try to develop a plan by using upgrades and more efficient products, that will help that meter move slower. You can see the difference between the meter on the left and the meter on the right. Our goal here is to make that meter move slower. How do we do that? We identify the size and quantity of all of the older and less efficient lighting. It could be anything from overhead lighting to exit lighting, emergency lighting, anything that's within the premise. They had things that use incandescent bulbs, T12 fluorescents, all those older technologies that are less efficient, will be identified and counted. We try to replace that with some kind of a greener. Compact fluorescence LEDs. They had T5s, T8s. They had we reduced that electric load, the amount of electricity used to provide the lighting in your building spaces, by replacing it with these more efficient technologies. What's involved? We survey the spaces to identify all of the lower efficiency lights and fixtures. That'd be done by me, Kevin Coogan. A verification is done of the survey I performed by an ELC project manager to estimate the potential savings to your business spaces. When that's compiled, that information is input to the local utility. In this case, it would be Connecticut Light and Power or United Illuminating, for their approval and verification. They want to make sure that our estimates for the savings, are conservative. Typically, they are. Your savings may actually be more than what we estimate. When all that's done, we review the entire program with you, confirming what the potential savings are, outlining the programs that will help pay for that upgrade, and really without much cost or any cost to your business. Why does this work? Basically, an electric meter records how much power is used and for how long. The measurement is based on kilowatt hours. I don't want to get technical, but what this means is that a 100-watt lamp operating for 10 hours will consume 1 kilowatt hour of electric energy. It's called kWh on your bill. If the utility rate is 20 cents per kilowatt hour, you will be billed 20 cents. There are 3 ways to lower this cost. Reduce the size of the lamp. Make it something less than 100 watts. Or reduce the number of hours it is operated. And both those two are not always practical or possible in a real solution. The practical solution is based in replacing the older technology lamp or fixture with a new, more efficient model. This is what we do. The 2 lamps I'll illustrate below will produce the same amount of light, maybe even more light for the more efficient one, but the one on the right will do it with 60% less energy. Look at the meters. Just like the ones on our front page, they had the incandescent older technology is going to turn that meter a lot faster than the newer technology. Here's some examples of where such lighting efficiency has been, and lighting upgrades have really made a change. The New York Islanders practice rink, on Long Island, their savings was over $20,000 just in a lighting change. West Marine. Here's a before and an after. Great illustration. Take a look at the improvement in the lighting, and then at the bottom, look at the savings. They had almost $75,000 in lighting savings, and the quality of the appearance of the products, is so much better. Same is true at Tractor Supply. Look on the left, before, and the right on the after, and here, along with the improvements and the spaces, the savings is over $80,000. Nothing's more striking than this New England Motor Freight warehouse. They had, look at the left and look at the right, see the improvement in the area, okay, of the lighting. Look at the savings, over $175,000. A great example of lighting that has to run 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So the costs are huge. And if the fixtures are inefficient, the savings can be potentially equally huge. But that's our message. They had, I put a quick response code here on the left. If you have an app on your iPhone or iPad, you can click and go right to the ELC website. But I'd really prefer that you give me a call. Okay, I'm Kevin Coogan. I'll give you my cell phone number, 203-379-8367. I'd welcome a chance to describe how our little company and your utility are working together to improve your lighting efficiency. Have a great day, and thank you again for your time.